Hello friends. So this is the place where we will maintain the different relationship between our tables. One way to manage this relationship is that is inside this home tab there is one button called relay manage relationship. We'll click into that thing and we will land to something like this. We'll click on new. One more thing. There is one more option. Either it is a new or it is auto detect. If I'll press on auto detect, Power BI will automatically detect relations between possible relationship between all the tables and align them. I don't want to do that, so that we should know how and what are the options are available inside this relationship, because this is a very important part of data analysis thing. Now I'll go into the new. Here I can select that which tables are there where we want to make relationship. So here I can select my first table. Let's suppose I have selected the first table as athletes fact, and here is a small preview of the columns which are there in this athletes fact table. Second table, let's suppose I have selected as region dimension table. Automatically it has selected my country ID as a common columns on which the relation has to be maintained. Apart from this, there are some more things that we should see in this box. One thing is that here is one thing that we have to define is cardinality. So there are different options that are available into this. These are many to one to one to many, and many to many. If I choose a wrong cardinality here, it will give me error. The cardinality you selected is not valid for this relationship. So here we have to understand that which cardinality will work where. Fine. So we need to understand this cardinality in detail. Initially, it has automatically assigned one cardinality, that is many to one. We will learn in a next video maybe that what exactly is this many to one and one to many. But in this video, Power BI has automatically assigned that many to one. One thing is that we need to understand about the cardinality. Another thing is that cross filter direction. There are two options in cross filter direction. One is single, another is both. We need to understand about this setting also. And the third is this: make this relationship active or not. Right. So these are the three things that we should learn in the relationship: cardinality, cross filter direction, and the active and active. That's it. If we know about these three things, our relationship will never be wrong between the tables. Right. This is one way of making the relationship between the tables. If I'll press OK, it will look something like this. I'll close it. Oh, close. Then see, there is one relationship is there between this table. When I'll hover my cursor under this relationship, my both the columns in this athletes fact tables on which this relationship is based will get highlighted. Right. There are one two more ways of making this relationship. So currently I'm right clicking on the relationship and deleting this thing. One more way of making relationship is that in this fact table there are three dots. I can click on that, and there is again the option of manage relationship. In this relationship, again we will land to the same dialog box where I can select the new and establish one relationship. And one more way of managing relationship is the third way of managing relationship is that we can simply drag the column of one table to the another. Let's suppose I want to make a relationship between athletes fact and regional team on the basis of country ID. So there are few tables. It might be possible that the columns are very much and all the columns are not visible. Then we can do something like this. But in our table, the columns number of columns are very less, so that we can simply drag We can double click country ID, drag this column, and I can put it on the region div country ID. And now again the relationship has been maintained. Automatically it has assigned some one to many, many to one, single both. That we will learn in detail in the next video. But let's see that whether this relationship works or not. To check this whether this relationship work or not, I will go to my report part. Yes, now my bar chart is sorted on the way what how I would like to do it. Right, so these are the relationship things that we need to maintain. And what are the things that we need to learn in the relationship is cardinality, cross filter direction, and active inactive. We will learn about these settings in details in our next video. Till then, thank you.